went down to Ace Hardware and we bought a couple of stakes and we have planted them in beside the stalk. Welcome to day 6 of our Rooftop urban farm, where we aim to show schools how easy it is to implement a farm and the support that you get from Arnaud and his team at Agriculture Box. It's delivery day part 2. Today's focus was all about getting the soil from the ground floor up to the garden. It sounds simple, but with a rooftop project, nothing ever comes easy. Trip after trip and load after load, every bag of soil and every container that we need is made its way up thanks to Arnaud and his team. They handled it all with smiles, strength and lots of serious determination. To make it all happen, we had to open up access through the building. We did this on the weekend so that we weren't interfering with any school children or any safeguarding hazards. And once the last bag was up in place, we made sure that we had to leave everything spotless. The corridor got a full clean up so that we were ready for business as usual on the Sunday. So that is one of the things the schools had to put into place. All of that nice, fresh, organic soil is being delivered straight from their own farm, where we know exactly where it's come from, and that means we can be confident that it is completely organic and that the nutrition that's going into our plants is ready. Every step that they take with us brings us closer to bringing this rooftop to life, greener, cleaner, and ready to grow. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you can watch us as we grow organically. Also, did you know that soil never gets lonely? The reason for this is that it's always surrounded by its roots.